time coming. I bought the car in, I think, January of 2020, and it's been sitting on the trailer ever since. And I finally kind of pulled everything together and got everything kind of to a point to where I think I can start on this. And we're going to do an Ecoboost swap on this and put a 2.0 Ecoboost in it. And fingers crossed. I'm sure this is going to turn into a major endeavor, but we'll give it a go. I think first I'm going to kind of pull it off, get it cleaned up a little bit. We'll get it put in the barn. And everything I've been working on has kind of been, you know, aimed at this point. Putting the concrete in the barn was all kind of a step so I could begin to work on this. And I sold that Thunderbird and then bought it back from my brother-in-law, and I initially was just going to put that engine in it and in the Mustang, and I thought kind of different. Then I bought this other turbo engine out of a Mercury XR4 Ti, and I was going to put that in it. And so now I'm kind of thinking I may end up putting this in the Thunderbird, get the Thunderbird sold, and then use that money to work on the SVO. So I've got a K-member, I got the K-member and everything there ready to go in, and hopefully gonna put that Mustang in here and give it a home. We'll get it backed in right here so we can start working on it, and let's give it a go. Had me queued up perfect there, and got her where we can, I think, roll it right off with hopefully minimal effort. And the tongue was a little bit too low. The trailer's for I think was for a limited race car, dirt track car, and it's built really low slung, so we took and picked the tongue of it up, and I think we got it pretty much level to where we can just kind of roll her right off. So let's give it a shot.
She looks pretty happy. I wish I could zoom in, but that's not an option.
Woo! It's just me, myself, and I.
It is the one thing. It is the trailer.
I don't think so.
I don't even think so.
Oh, there we go.
Here, I'll help.
Okay.
I'm glad they put
Ready?
it in there. Ready?
I'm glad my camera works.
Careful.
Got this, Kirsten.
Here we go.
Alright.
Wow, I'm so strong. I did that. I did all the work there.
You got it, yeah.
She just turned the wheel. Okay.
All right. I got this home. We got to see what let's do the unwrapping. Let's see what we bought. I'm not entirely sure. So y'all hang on and I'll get her unwrapped a little bit. Well, wish just a little prettier, a little more, pow. But yeah, that's it. It's a grease ball. It's got some, I don't know, it's got over 100,000 miles on it. But yeah, we'll give her a shot. It's still got the turbo on it. That's kind of nice. So I'll buy that Gym Sport computer and the harness and get everything wired up, and we'll see what we got. So that's it for the unveiling. That was kind of anticlimactic, and looks like I'll have to figure out the accessories, I guess. I don't know, maybe I can go to the junkyard and get accessories, stuff like that off of pretty much maybe just any kind of 2.0 or something.